Hey, Daniel, do you ever think about your future goals?
Hi, Sophie. Yes, I do. I think about them a lot. I want to start my own business one day.
That's great. What kind of business?
I'd love to open a small tech company. I enjoy working with computers and apps.
That sounds exciting. Do you have a plan?
I'm saving money now, and I'm also taking online courses about business and marketing.
Good for you. I believe you can do it. My goal is to become a travel writer.
Wow, that's cool. So you want to travel and write about different places?
Exactly. I love writing, and I love discovering new cultures. I want to visit at least 20 countries in the next 10 years.
That's a big goal. Have you visited any countries so far?
Just a few: Mexico, Spain, and Canada. But I'm planning more trips soon.
That's awesome. Do you write a blog?
Yes, I started one last year. It's small, but it's growing.
That's how big dreams begin. Small steps. My dream company won't happen tomorrow, but I'm working on it every day.
Same here. I think it's important to be patient and stay focused.
I agree. And it helps to talk about our goals with people who support us.
Totally. Sharing your goals makes them feel more real.
What motivates you to keep going?
I think about the life I want: freedom, creativity, and doing what I love.
That's powerful. I want to be my own boss and create something useful for people.
I believe you will. Just keep learning and moving forward.
Thanks, Sophie. And I believe in your dream too. One day, I'll read your book or blog from somewhere across the world.
And one day, I'll use an app made by your company.
Deal. Let's keep working hard and supporting each other.
Absolutely. Let's check in again in a few months and see our progress.
Great idea. Long-term goals need short-term actions.